Can you help me plan my daily menus?
Can you provide calorie and nutritional information for my menus?
At EGS Enggist and Grandjean Software SA, we understand the needs of every business to modernize and continuously innovate to help you work better, faster and smarter.
Can you encode my data and recipes?
Can you analyze my business performance?
Can you integrate all my systems to synergize operational workflows?
The answer is yes, we can. With our advanced tools and services, we provide greater value. We give you more opportunities to optimize and grow your business. EGS Enggist and Grandjean Software SA, your recipe for success.